this is Liz with Mom's Machines. I'm actually sitting in my hallway with my daughter's S9 Plus, which I got for her birthday, and she said it was doing some funny things at her house. It was going into like a corner and getting lost. So, and I actually brought it here and did the same thing here. And let me show you what we did wrong and how we fixed it. Let's get going.
Here we go.
What I did just to test it. I didn't want to put it in a room because we keep mostly our doors closed just because we have cats and they're not allowed in all the rooms. But I wanted to test it here in this hallway, and I thought I was doing it correctly because even though it's a narrow hallway, there is a room here, our laundry room, which is very narrow, and I thought it would be good enough. There's like about 2 or 3 feet in between here, and there's enough space on each side. And luckily she had kept, I didn't get the owner's manual from her, but she had kept this directions, and if you look, it just says so many feet from the right, left, and front. I actually have my S9 Plus, and I have things on each side of it, but I put it here in this hallway. As you see, it's kind of a narrow hallway. So when I called customer service, and I think I told you guys on another video, their customer service is really excellent. My daughter actually said she's not really technical, and I'm not super technical either, but they are great at walking you through problems. So they actually had me put it in another location. So I'm just guessing that this location was not good because it was just too narrow of a passage. So we did that, and let me show you what happened. Here is the final place where I put it just to test it out and see if it ran in here. The customer service person told me to bring it into another area, and I put it in one of the rooms, and I'll show you in a minute. It's got more space. So he had me run it, and let me show you where it is. So here is the destination that I put it when I called customer service. I put it in this room, and as you see, it's got plenty of space around it to back up and maneuver, and it vacuumed and mapped most of my upstairs with no problem. Anyway, I hope this video helped, and thanks for watching Mom's Machines. Have a great day.